decisions on what to pay. What can't you pay this month? What must you leave out? Of everything is essential. Your house rent, your petrol, your medical aid, your children's school fees. Why not make it easy on yourself? Make the right choice. Hi guys, I'm Marita. I'm a digital marketer. I made the choice. I was also scared. I'm not tech savvy. I will never in my life make a video of myself. And I thought, why not? If everybody else can do it, I can do it. Let me teach you how with 2 hours a day on your phone. I'll gladly help you. I'll guide you step by step. Make the decision that's right for you and your family. Financially right. Drop me a yes, and I'll gladly help you. Send me an email. I'll also send my email address at the bottom.